going on, 100 Gang? It's your boy 100 Gang Nate, back outside with another video today, and I'll be meeting up with Kestanaz. We're going down to Miami real quick, go to a supercar show, but Keston's supposed to be right here. Race car friend's supposed to be here right now, but he's not here. He woke me up all early, talking about something, be here early, just for him to be here late. But once again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. If you like cars like these, go ahead and subscribe to the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Q the Chaotic, and Blueprint 1 LE. We outside today. We finna go get some crazy content. We're gonna see a lot of supercars. We're gonna see a lot of super bad models. We're just gonna be all the way outside, letting it hang out today. You know I had to bring the Type R. I had to bring it out. Obviously it's dirty right now. I'm gonna get it clean when we get down to Miami. But we outside. Hit that subscribe button. And if you need some merch, go ahead and go to 100gangclothing.com. Pick you up some merch. Get you up some merch, it won't hurt. I meant for that to rhyme. Let's go. 30 whole minutes later, look who decides to finally show up. This man is late. Told me to come out the house all early. And he the one that's late. Now, we said 7 o'clock, all right? Look what time it is. 7 o'clock. Look what time he is. Then he got that damn house phone ringtone.
What's going on, Joey?
So guys, we done met up with Joey now. It's me, Race Car Friends, and we got Joey in the Maserati. We really ready to get down to Miami and do our thing. Look at Joey, he all Miami'd out right now. Look at this. Got the Versace shades on with the Yeezys. He ain't stepped out yet, but I'm gonna get y'all.
Now the Supercar Saturdays, you got 100 Gang Nate.
We outside. We outside. 100%. Look. Hold on. We gotta get it. Yeah, Maserati Joey. Look. We gotta get the whole fit. Look at it.
Get on shoes.
This is a work field.
Shoe check.
Oh! Y'all home and do the shoe check?
Yeah, you already know.
Oh!
You know.
I don't like to disrespect you. Was giving them shoes a little while ago.
Yeah, I had to do it. So we got Race Car Friends here in front of me. They headed down to South Pack. Race Car Friends, say what's up. Say what's up to the people.
What's up, fam?
Yeah.
What's going on, 100 Gang Nation?
We outside. Guys, look at this ZL1. Hurt my soul. I used to have a ZL1. Yeah, got a little V6 with it. Where Keston at though? We don't see him. Man, you said you was right behind us. You weren't right behind us. Huh? See a Supra coming up here? You went to the other side.
Where the heck did you park, yo?
We went all the way to the top. You didn't, like, we see you right now. Keep coming straight. I think that's you. No, is that you? I don't know. Got a lot of crazy. I don't know. I don't see you. We up here at the top.
Oh, you at the top of the building?
Yeah, we at the top of the parking lot deck. It's like this lady in this green little truck right here. When you come up, we outside, guys. We waiting for our RCF. Here go Race Car Friends. He finally found us. Let's get it. So we got Race Car Friends. We got Joey, Maserati, Type R. We outside. Let's get it. We out here at the casino, hopping outside. Kes currently finna get permission to be out here from the wife, and we finna slide to this show. Yes, sir. All right, guys. We got the Z06 with the wing on it. Got a Viper, got an Evo, got a WRX, got a GT3 back there, got a GTR right there. We outside, money gang. We outside. And it's hot. Give us something. What this is. We got this Lambo going on. Got a McLaren 720. Yes, sir. We outside today. Look at him. Yes, sir. Look at all these McLarens. They out here. Got a son with them. Got a McLaren, another McLaren. Like the GT. These people trying to walk. Y'all ready to go? Guys, my heart is hurting again. Out here, we got 2 ZL1 1LEs. Y'all know the kid used to have one. Unfortunately, he does not anymore. One. We got that GT500 Mustang gang. If I ever did a Mustang, it would have to be this. Literally. If I ever had to do a Mustang, it would have to be a GT500. Facts. All right, guys, we out here with a GTR.
See the tires on this thing?
Yeah. And we got another GTR. Guys, when I tell you it's just like a lot of cars out here, it's a lot of cars out here. I don't know. It's a lot of stuff. We outside. It's a lot of cars. Joey, what you got? You got any word for the people?
No, I don't know what to say.
He said, I don't know what to say. Look, I don't know what to say either. It's just plethora of cars. A lot of vehicles, hot weather. Short way to describe it. So guys, we got this Camaro Yanko.
And I was like, yo.
I know Blueprint when I love this. Hey, Blueprint.
Manual gearbox too, man.
Blueprint, you think you can beat this? I'll clap you up in every review. So we got a R33 right now.
35 had me saying 35.
No, he said 35.
I ain't say 35, I said 34.
You mean 35?
Yeah,
Don't be blaming me.
Yeah, no, it's a, yeah.
This man hearing things out here.
It was a 34, 33.
Got the Nissan Skyline, right-hand drive.
Straight out of the
Things
thing.
nasty. Japanese brand. An XX running by. Yes, sir. Guys, we got a ZR1. Y'all know how I feel about the ZR1s. I really love them. Probably my favorite Corvette of all time. Is that a ZR1? This one's a ZR1. Favorite Corvette of all time. C7 ZR1. My favorite Corvette of all time. So we got a whole bunch of Lambos out here. Got two Uruses, Huracan, Aventador STO, Aventador again, another STO. Oh, that shit's crazy. We outside. Look at this blue. That junk's crazy. Guys, like this is probably the most supercars in my personal life that I've seen at one time. No, it's crazy. It just puts things into perspective. Like it makes you feel like you can accomplish anything. You just got to go hard at what you do. That black. Oh, look at that SVJ over there.
That's an SV.
No, this one.
Oh, that is an SV. I didn't see that.
Look at this purple SV, and we got this red SVJ. God dang. Yes, sir. This one takes the cake for me for my favorite Lambo I've seen today. Yeah. This is my favorite car today that I've seen. Look at this. Look at these rims. These bitches hard. Look at these rims. Tough. Look at this STO right here. Joint crazy. Look at the rims on this STO. It's crazy. It's Miami. See me. Got a good photo. Nice. It's crazy. Is this a 24?
I don't know. It's a second ago, I think. You can ask.
We got a Lambo. Going nuts right here. Damn. Lambo going nuts. And guys, we got this 23 Huracan. It's looking mean. Y'all think we should pick one up? What y'all think? Y'all let me know. Right here we have a 2022 Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate Roadster. Y'all know this is the last of the last. You know, they're not making any more Aventadors. So this is the last one. I like the carbon rear diffuser. Love the pipes. Love the clear glass on the engine. We got like a gray right here. This one's nasty.
Yo, you see a little bit of purple in it, right?
Yeah, so look at the interior. Nasty. They outside. We outside. Y'all, on the game, my mind's blown. Our friends, we're walking up on a Murcielago right now. So it's crazy. Mercy. Huh?
He does concrete work.
Oh, damn.
Did you see the?
Yeah, we got a Ford GT.
Yeah.
I know Race Car 21's probably enjoying this right now. Let me go show him the engine. Yes, sir. Look at this. Crazy. And it's a manual gearbox. The SVJ, white on red. Super nasty, look at this. It's crazy. STO.
Civic Type R. You don't see none of them here.
Some F1 cars right here. The AMG Mercedes, is that what Lewis Hamilton drives?
I don't watch that. I don't watch F1.
That's crazy. Nissan Z.
Yeah, that's what this is.
And I don't know what this is. Attack us? I don't know. What is this? I don't know what this is, but it's crazy. Got a Cleftron. Yeah, this is crazy.
Oh yeah, guys.
Ferrari coming through.
One of those
Got an M3 in the cut. Huh?
One of those Lamborghinis.
They got a battle. They got to have a rev war going on. Crazy. We got the Hulk Lamborghini.
I've been down here about 30. I got here like 7. Yo, let's get a rev.
God damn.
Follow me on Instagram. It's Karen and
Look, it's right here. We outside. Look.
Do that now.
That's dope.
I just did headers and X pipe.
What?
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
He had his 011 LE, he sold his. And I sold my SS1 LE. We both went hard to It's fast.
How fast you think this goes?
Huh?
How fast you think this goes?
It's quick. Yeah, I saw it. Whatever you see, MTW2, it's fast.
Damn. Look at this. That's the outside. So we had some more Honda gang pull up on us. Yes, sir. It was outside. So race car friends brought us to this roti spot. Never had it in my life. About to have some now. Let's see how it tastes. We got Joel with the chicken nuggets. Kiss with the bean patties. Me too. And then I got something in there called roti. Wolverine supposed to be right here, but he went to the bathroom. So guys, me and race car friends at an exclusive location right now. Out here in Florida, doing a little shoot. This is a beautiful place, very peaceful. I can see myself coming out here and just thinking about life, man. Yeah, this is some peaceful stuff. Look at it. Look at them clouds.